What's going on, guys? Today we're showing you this Magic of the Gathering. This is a deck holder. Now you can also use this with other trading cards as well, but what I love about this is you got your different pockets for your different cards and dice and setup. And I think my favorite thing is this. So this pocket can be used to showcase whatever deck it is. So for example, if we have this trading card, then we know, okay, so this is the set that's in here. And it's really cool. I like that a lot. So the picture window is awesome. Also put something back through here as well. It's just really nice. And you have the dividers in here as well. So you place your cards in. Now, it looks like for top loaders, it doesn't quite fit, but you can put them like this, and then you can just divide them like that if you need to. Put some down there as well. But overall, it's nice. I like that it's magnetic. It's going to do the job.